This is why you need to consider a used Volkswagen Tiguan for your next car. Alright, first up, the pros. The Volkswagen Tiguan is known for its solid German engineering. It's reliable, with a comfortable ride and a well-designed interior. Plus, you get that signature VW style and a turbocharged engine that's both peppy and fuel-efficient. Now let's talk affordability. Buying used means you'll save money up front. And with a Tiguan, you're still getting a lot of value for your buck. Lower depreciation, lower insurance costs, it's a win-win. But let's keep it real. There are some cons to think about. Older models might have higher mileage and could be out of warranty. Maintenance costs can add up, especially if previous owners didn't keep up with the service schedule. And then, there's the tech. Used Tiguans might not have the latest gadgets or safety features. So if you're big on tech, you might miss out. So what's the verdict? If you're after a stylish, reliable SUV and you're okay with potential maintenance, a used Volkswagen Tiguan could be a smart choice. But always do your homework. Check the vehicle history and get a trusted mechanic to inspect it. Ready to make a decision? Now you know the pros and cons, the choice is yours. Happy car hunting!